Hey, you got Justin here with Tube and Travel. Now, if you're on this video right now, you're looking for a way to, in 5 simple steps, to make $500 or more watching videos on YouTube. I know it sounds crazy, it's super awesome, but I promise you, if you stick around to the end of this video, you'll see everything laid out in 5 simple and easy steps that you can take as soon as this video is over. So if that's the case, pay attention and we're gonna get into that right now. But before we do, make sure to check out www.tubeandtravel.com/free, where it'll show you how to earn 10x this amount, right? Between $5,000 to $10,000 per month, traveling the world, working 1 hour per day. So you can go to tubeandtravel.com/free, or you can click the link in the description and it'll take you there. And of course, if you like this content and get value and you see exactly how you can take these 5 steps and make $500 or more watching videos on YouTube, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification. Really helps with the algorithm and it helps me share this video with more people. Alright, so let's get into it. The first thing is, and the most critical thing is, you got to be on YouTube, right? Obviously, you're smart, you know that, and if you're on this video right now, you have a YouTube account, otherwise you wouldn't be watching. So what you got to do is you got to find a popular niche. Now, personally, it really depends, where your interests lie, but I'm going to use gaming because gaming is so easy, and I know that one of the most popular gaming sites is Roblox, okay? Also, Minecraft, super popular. You have Fortnite, that's super popular, and you can literally just go on YouTube and just type in most popular gaming niches, and that could be the thing. If you play games already, then it's easy. If you're an adult and you don't like playing games and you just want to, you have a pet and you have a dog and you want to use a dog niche, it's fine. It's just got to be the only things, the criteria that you really have to look for is videos that have over 100,000 views within a short period of time. And as you can see from Roblox right here, it has 1.1 million views in 1 month. Okay, in 1 month period of time, 1.1 million views. It's pretty powerful. Another 1.2 million views in 1 month. So that's also crazy. So you know you're in the right place. Now, one thing that I want to show you that's very important and critical to steps is you got to go to this Creative Commons button right here. The reason why you want to do that is because that way you will not be hindering, or you not be breaking any of YouTube's rules when it comes to re-uploading videos, because that's what we're going to do, and I'll show you that a little bit later in the video. But you're going to re-upload those videos in order to then monetize through the traffic that you get. So make sure it's Creative Commons when you're clicking on that and searching. Alright, so now that we have that, what you want to do, number 2, for step 2, is you want to take 2 videos. Okay, you want to take 2 videos from the Creative Commons, and you're going to leverage that and put that on a notepad, and I'll show you why in just a second. So as you can see, the highly viral videos are right here and right here. So we're going to open this in a new tab, so that one, and then you're going to open this in a new tab and that one. All right, so once those tabs are open, you're going to go to it. You're going to go to the first one, you're going to copy the link, and you're going to go to that notepad that you have, and you're gonna label that video 1 so you can distinguish between the 2. Then you're going to go to the second video that you opened up, and you're gonna copy that URL. Alright, so now we're here. Boom. So now that we have 2 viral videos that we're gonna leverage, the next question you have to ask yourself is, well, how are we gonna make this money? And the answer is really simple. We're going to use a paid link shortener, okay? This paid link shortener is amazing. It's not like bit.ly, ly, where you basically take a link and condense it and then send someone to another landing page. Right here, what you do is you take this link, you shorten it, and then when someone goes to the next page, before they get there, they're going to be facing an advertisement. And from that advertisement, once they click on that, which they'll automatically do once they get there, then it'll take them to the next page, okay? And that's what they're gonna do. You're gonna sandwich in an advertisement that someone's gonna click on from videos that they're already interested in seeing. You see the beauty in that, the genius in that? So all you have to do is super simple, okay? You're gonna take video number 2, right here, and you're going to go to a website called shrinkme.io. Now, shrinkme.io is super legit, and I'll show you right now how proof, just so you can see for yourself that people are actually getting paid today from the site. As you can see, $7.26, $7.98, $10.52, and on and on and on, $138.74. So it's a real service that pays, okay? Now, here's how the payout rates really work, so you know. First of all, you have to sign up, because that's how you get paid. And second, the minimum threshold for a payout is $5. That's why you see all those little micro payments, because people want to get paid right away. And they pay daily, okay? Daily payments, and you can pay through Bitcoin if you're into Bitcoin like I am, or if you want to get paid through PayPal, or a number of other different paid services that you can get paid through, they will allow it. So now you know it's legit, now you know how you get paid. Next thing you want to do is you want to go back home, you want to take that URL from number 2, okay? And you want to put it right here. All right? Now, as you can see, for every 10,000 views, you get paid $220, all right? 10,000 views, $220. Now that you know that, and now you know how you're going to make the money, you simply go here to this shortening section, and it's going to pop out a URL. This is the URL that you want to keep, and you want to copy that. Now you want to take that back to video number 2, because that's the same video that's going to be correlating with that. Now you're going to take video number 1, and you're going to go to my favorite YouTube extractor. What to say, it's yt1s.com. That's going to allow you to download this YouTube video. Now you're going to get hit with a whole bunch of pop-ups. Don't click into the pop-ups. I promise you it's not going to be helpful. You're going to go to YouTube Downloader. Where is it? Download. Oh, it's YouTube MP4. My apologies. Because you want to do the YouTube MP4 video. So you want to click into here. You want to convert that MP4. And that's going to download it. You're going to click the link. A bunch of pop-ups are going to come. Fight the pop-ups. You're going to fight the pop-ups. And you're going to download, and it's going to do it one more time. You're going to go back, and as you can see, it's downloading right here. That's video number 1. Now you're going to want to go back to your YouTube channel, and you're going to simply go to upload right here. Upload video. Now simply take the video that you downloaded, and you're going to upload it onto your YouTube channel. Very simple. I'm going to take this video, simply upload it to YouTube, and then once it's uploaded, I'm going to take this video, and I'm also going to copy, I'm going to paste this, the title, I'm going to take video number 2 with the Shortener URL, the shrunken URL, right? And I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to say simply, for more Roblox videos, go here. Boom. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now you've uploaded the video. Now it's on YouTube. Now it's viral. And all you have to do is just wait and give YouTube its time to start pushing it out to people who are interested in it. And then your link will be at the bottom of the description. And then when someone clicks on that, you get paid. Now let's just do the math real quick so you see why I said what I said and how you can make money doing this. Now, if you get 1.2 million views, okay? And if you just get, think about that, 1% of people to click on that link from 1.2 million views, 1%, now you're looking at 12,000 clicks to your link, right? Didn't require a website, didn't require any technical analysis, didn't require any prior skill. You could be a complete newbie and crush this. And the only question you have to ask yourself is, how many times you want to do this over and over again? Because you don't just stop with one, you keep doing it over and over and over and over. And this is going to be the now money, okay? So, but if you're looking to make long-term money, one that can pay you for full-time income so you can make money and travel the world, then I highly suggest that you go to my training, the free training, www.tubeandtravel.com/free. or just click the link in the bottom of the description and it's going to take you there. And that's going to be lasting income that you can use to pay your bills, to potentially quit your job, or to use this money as additional money to travel or pay off debt. There's so many things you can do once you start leveraging online. So I highly encourage you, click the link below, go to the free video and check it out. That's the end of this video. So if you got value from it and you really can see the picture of how you can make this additional money, please give me a like, please subscribe to this channel, and please hit that notification bell so you can get more videos like this. Well, that's it. See you on the next video. Take care. Peace.